excited because today I am unboxing a collab with Laura from Subboxes and Coctails. She is an awesome YouTuber and she reached out to me to see if I wanted to do this collab. You buy 5 items at $5 a piece. So you spend, give or take, $25 on a box. So of course I jumped on it. We asked each other a few questions and I received my package today. My name is Robyn and welcome to my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. If you're returning or just subscribed, thank you so much. It means the world to me that you can take some time out of your day to spend some time with me. So I got my package and I took it out of the mailbox and my boyfriend says, "Oh my God, that package is huge. You sent her a smaller package. You need to send her some more stuff." And so it's like, okay, we had to do it on a budget. So I hope she likes my package. I am going to link Laura's video below. Please check her out and subscribe to her channel. She is super, super nice. And she does have a son in the military. So thank you to him for his service. And I'm so excited to get into mine. So I told Laura that, of course, I like anything cactus. I gave her my size in tops, and I think I told her I'd like silver. So we didn't really give too much information. I do watch all her videos, so I picked up things that she liked out of the boxes that she opened. So again, this is the first time that, you know, I'm doing this. So, you know, I've done collabs, but I've done like a summer collab, so it's just general stuff. So here we go. And the first thing is a card that she sent. It's a beautiful card. I'm not going to read everything to you, but she did put down, she's like, "I hope you like the 5 items I selected. It was hard to stay, about $5 each, but I was close." And then she put everything that was in there. I sent her a note, but I didn't put everything that was in there. So, plus, you know, being up in the mountains, it's so hard to get to stores. So I did a lot of shopping online. So I'm really hoping she likes it. And I believe I told her that I liked masks, or I think she watches my videos. So I have 5 masks. They are Mexican Aloe, Neogen Dermology. So definitely going to use those. This box is just amazing. And then, oh, and I think I told her I liked candles. I'll never say no to a candle. And it looks like fig and magnolia scented candle. So already a 2 for 2. Look at this beautiful candle. I could sit here and smell it all day. Plus the box. Look at that box. It's going to make a great jewelry box because I don't have a lot of room where I'm at now. The next thing is Nicole Miller, New York, Complete Lipstick Collection. And it's really kind of funny because I sent her a lipstick collection. So I'm sure she's opened it by the time we're doing the recording. Of course I can't open it. And look at these beautiful lip colors. So I'm really liking those. Sorry, I was just trying to get more familiar with the lip colors. I'm not going to take them out and swatch them. because I don't know when I'm going to wear them. And I could tell she kind of went over budget. And the next two things, Sweet and Shimmer Chill Cool Coconut Body Lotion. And she sent me 2 of these. And I'm not going to say no to a good body lotion. And Pure Clay Mask Clarify and Smooth by L'Oreal. And there's a little free gift on the back. And I am in the middle of using a mask right now. Actually, it's a clay mask that I'm using, and I love it. I got it out of one of my subscription boxes. It's a cool mask, and it feels great. So this will not go to waste. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, not counting the different masks. And oh my gosh, I know she spent more. I'm loving this woman. Oh my God. 20 napkins, and they're cactus. Oh. 12 plates, and they're cactus. 8 plates. Oh my God. So Barb, if you're watching from BC Sal's, and Kayla, if you're watching, when you bring the wine and we have the almonds, I have plates. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in here. This was a great box. And I watch a lot of YouTubers, and it's so nice because so many YouTubers have become friends. I've seen a lot of collabs. I see a lot of, what do they call it, the gift mail that they get. They have their addresses on there, and they're always showing the different gifts so many subscribers sent. So I am so glad that I hooked up with Laura. She could not have done a better job. And she did put down, even put down the prices. She's so detailed, that girl. She put down the candle, one of my favorite scents. I found it on clearance. It was $5.99 because we had to spend $5. And of course, I did a lot of the $5.99 stuff too. The aloe sheet masks were $1. The lotion from Ulta, they had them on sale, 2 for $4. L'Oreal mask, this is a classic, good cleansing mask for $5.99. And the Nicole Miller lipstick, she said was a bonus. She goes, oh, bonus, I saw the cactus plates and napkins and couldn't help myself. And she's so sweet. So again, I'm going to put her link below. Check out what I got her. I feel bad because she really customized this box for me. So I hope she likes my box. This was such a fun collab to do. So comment. Let me know what you thought of the idea of collabing with another YouTuber. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.